हमारे साथ एंड्रू हॉलैंड जुड़े हैं, इस बीच उनसे बात करते हैं. एंड्रू, मॉर्निंग टू यू. थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. And first of all, your reaction on Infosys. You know, everybody was focusing on Infosys, and yesterday evening the board held a press conference, but at least the founders were not really impressed with what was stated in the press conference. What's your take?
So, you know, it's difficult to comment on the differences. I only read what or listen to what you guys in the media talk about. So without knowing the full facts, it's difficult to take one side or the other. So don't really want to comment on that. But what I would comment on is this, and I've said it for many years now, is that for the IT industry alone, you know, the decade of growth which they enjoyed is clearly over. And, you know, there's pressures, you know, across the board, and they're all trying to reinvent themselves. And if you remember last time I was on your program, that I said that the only thing that would excite me or maybe look at the IT sector as an investment is if you know, the companies start to either do two things: buy back their own shares and give me more dividend yield. Then I'd be more interested, and that's certainly what Cognizant's done. And I suspect that you'll see IT companies in India follow that lead as well. And that would make the value a little bit more attractive than we have today, because we're really going ex-growth on these companies. They're becoming more like commodity companies, and therefore I don't want to pay the multiples even today that they're on. So they have to give me more.